Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your phone to screen mirror to your TV, okay? I have a video earlier. You can use it to phone to iPad. It's about screen mirroring phone to iPad, right? So please check it out. It may help you guys if you want to use your phone to your iPad. And by the way, with this one, it's the same process, with a little bit of exemption regarding with phone to TV. So the first thing I want you to do is, of course, open settings right there. Go back to the landing page because this should be the landing page of settings. And from here, hop on real quickly for General tab and click on Software Update right there. The thing here is we want to make sure that we have the best iOS version installed in our phone. The idea here is we need to make sure because sometimes Apple hinders processes features on your devices if you're not up to date. Just want to make sure, okay? So for this one, it doesn't really matter if it doesn't say iOS 16.6 on your end because you might be watching this video a few months from now and there might be new versions for Apple or iOS. So the important part is the bottom part phrase. It's going to be iOS is up to date no matter what is the number on the top. Okay? So please, if you have a pending update, please do so because you want to have or enjoy the best features available for iOS. So with that one, next step is open your Wi-Fi right there. Again, same as the iPhone and phone, make sure you have the same Wi-Fi connection from your TV to your iPhone. Again, your TV should be a smart TV, okay? And I'm sure it's going to be a smart TV because nowadays who doesn't have a smart TV, right? Anyway, make sure you have the same network connection to your phone and smart TV. Lastly, go back to settings, hit on General tab real quickly there. And as you can see here, there is an option that says AirPlay and Handoff. This one right here, I'm gonna hold it so it will be highlighted, and then from here it's gonna ask you to automatically AirPlay to TV. This one right here, you can either put it on ask or automatic, but since we're trying to screen mirror to TV, never put it on never or something like that. So ask is on automatic only, okay? With that one, make sure that's on automatic and then go back to your landing page. Now for this one, make sure TV is turned on. Just swipe down, same process as the iPad. There's two boxes right here, click on it, and you should see your screen here, which is the TV's name. Just simply click on it and you should be screen mirroring to your TV with no problem. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and have a safe one.